ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Friday. Oh, it has been a while. I mean, I've done a couple rants and stuff, but I haven't really done anything of use on videos, honestly. And part of that is because I've been busier than shit. Part of that's been, I've been doing a lot of plane stuff. And part of that's been, it's been hotter than a bitch, but the weather has subsided. It's much, much nicer. And here's the other thing. Is it just me, or does it seem like there's been a cooling off of new stuff coming out? And that's one of the reasons you haven't seen me doing a lot of new builds, just because I've built all the frames I think are cool. I've used most of the motors I think that are cool. A flight controller is a flight controller pretty much right now. Just not a lot of new interesting stuff has come out. Everything's looking like a fucking ghost frame or whatever, and I get bored with that. So, but I'm doing a build probably tonight, later today, whatever. And I'm using a new motor, and it's not new. I mean, it's been out for a while, but it's a new motor for me, and I haven't used them yet. So in my boredom, I thought, well, I'm going to try one of these. And they came today, and you know me, I don't do reviews, per se. I've used every frickin' form of motor out there, and very rarely will I do a special motor video. But this time I am, because I'm really, really impressed. Hang on. Okay, you guys know that I've been using a lot of the Wild Willies for a while. A couple friends' builds, I've ordered these and built for them, and on a bunch of the Mocha, or the JJs. What did I put these on? I've got these on a Mocha Jadina. I've got them on a couple other ones. I love these fucking motors, but they're not real cheap either. They're $100 a set, $104 a set, I think. These are actually for my brother Timber John's bird, but I'm using this as a comparison. So these are the 2306 2700 KVs. These are not what this video is about. This video is about these, which are the, what are these? 3BHOBBY. 3BHOBBY motors, right? They come in a nice little standoff can. That's what these will become. I use them for a little holding nuts and bolts and whatnot. Come nicely packaged. Now this is not, this is only a 2207. This is a 2306, okay? So this one's got a millimeter more on the height, a little bit. This is a bigger motor, but it's the closest I have that's a comparable to a 2650. So these are, what, 24 bucks a pop? Something like that. These, at the time of this video, were 18 bucks. But here's what I want to show you. A couple things. One, the packaging's good. That's fine. I don't care about that. I say, as much as I like the little plastic boxes, put them in a 2-cent cardboard box and save a couple bucks. But anyway, here is the motor. Now, it looks really cool. You know, if you're into that. Looks like got good old ghetto glider bells on there. 3BR 2207 2650s, like we said. And they changed it. It used to be 3Bs across the front, which looked really generic. I like what they've done with this. It looks really good. It feels phenomenal. It's got a good high-pitched bearing spin to it. When you've used enough motors, you understand. You can't hear it. It's better with props. You understand the feel of a motor. So the quality seems really, really good. But here's something really fucking clever. Check this out. You know how one of the big things is if you use a bolt that's too long in here, it'll push against your windings and short out a phase and fuck up your motor, right? Check out what these guys did. They put a little Bardwell skirt on here. Check that out. How cool is that? So if you do put a screw too far through here, it'll hit this nylon. See that? And keep it from shorting out the windings. Fucking brilliant. Now, if you put too big of a bolt through there, it's still probably going to push the windings against each other and short out through the varnish, but still, and if you do that, you deserve what you get. But look at that little Bardwell skirt in there. That's fucking clever. And they are using a hex nut bolt instead of using an E-clip. Bam. Fucking awesome. That is impressive, but it gets better. Somebody listened to me. They've probably been doing it before I said it, but that's okay. I'm going to take credit for it anyway. One of the things I said in the last build I did was, would you fucking motor manufacturers please start sending longer bolts with the frickin' motors, because, you know, you get a 5mm thick frame, they send you 3mm motor bolts. I'm like, really, guys? Check this shit out. Look at that. Long motor bolts. I'm so happy. That just made my fucking day. Now, will it be long enough to put them in the frame I'm using? I'm thinking. Let's see what these are. Yeah, really, that made it for me. I was like stoked about that. And they give you extras. 2 extra nuts, which is cool. So if Bardwell should buy these motors, get 2. I haven't bashed on Bardwell for a while, so I figured I'd take advantage of it. And extra screws. They give you 2 extra screws. How cool is that? So let's see what we got here. 5mm? No. Yeah. Give or take. Wow. So, get your dumbass straight. 10mm? Beautiful. So, rock and roll. I am impressed. Now, we're going to be doing a build video, like I said, probably today on a custom campfire frame. It's going to be pretty cool. Because I'm bored. I'm bored with shit. So I'm taking a campfire frame and a different canopy that's not for a campfire. And I printed one out, and it turned out pretty cool. And we're going to do a build with that, because I've already done a campfire build. And what I wanted to do... I've done like 12 campfire builds, but I've already done one campfire build video. So I'm not, that's kind of redundant, so I'm not going to do that again. So we're going to change it up and use this funky ass canopy I've got, and it's going to be cool. But I wanted to do that, what is that piece of shit I ordered? That Armaton. Oh, those fucking guys. I ordered an Armaton base plate, a Fury plate. Okay, because I made a special canopy for it. All I wanted was the plate. I didn't want anything else. Just the plate. So I ordered the plate for like $35 or whatever it was. Don't quote me on that. And ordered the damn plate a month ago. And I just got a fucking email today saying it's shipping from Taiwan today. Really? Really? That's what I get for it. That's what you get for not listening to your inner self. I hate Armaton, but I thought, oh, I want to do this specific canopy I found for it, and I'm going to make it a specific way, so I need this stupid Fury plate, so I ordered it against my better judgment, and I'm paying for it now. So, bam, there you go. These I got off of Get FPV. As you guys know, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Everything you see on this channel is paid for. 99.9% of it is. I do not use affiliate links, but I did get these at Get FPV. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get it, but you can probably get them anywhere. Go off of the cheapest, okay, because it's all the same shit. But yeah, these look really cool, and I was going to put... What was I going to put on there? Hang on a tick. Hang on. I got so much shit in the way. I was going to put these on. Mr. Coppers. Now notice this box. Notice this box, Mr. Copper Motors. These are badass. I like these motors a lot. These are what was going to go on that build today, but then I got these BB things, and I'm like, we're using those. These are badass motors, though. But check this out. Do you guys, here is the Wild Willies that I'm putting on my buddy's bird. Does this box look semi-familiar? Here's the Mr. Coppers. Look at that. Do you think they're the same? I'm pretty sure they are. Now, my buddy Twitch and I, we did a build-off a while back. He used Mr. Coppers, and I used Wild Willies on the monster build. And that was the Space One Aurora frame. And we swapped birds. He sent me his, I sent him mine, and he used the cheaper motor, which these are $19. Willies are $24, and they flew exactly the fucking same. So, if you like the copper look, or instead of whatever color these are, I think they're pink, go with these for cheaper. But they are made by the same company. It's completely obvious. So, either way, but that's not what this is about. It's about this. So, you're going to see these on the build today, or tonight, whenever that is. So, anyway, kids, bam, keep shine side up. We will see in part 2, after the build, in the build flight video, how these perform. But my guess is by the feel and weight. Oh, that's the other thing I want to do. I want to weigh it. Oops, look at that. I never weigh stuff. I'm like, I don't know. You think, okay, here's my theory on weighing everything. If you already blew $100 on motors and they weigh a little bit more than what you wanted, are you not going to use them? I don't know. There's that common sense again. So, Now, these are not the same. The Wild Willie's is technically bigger, but it's as close as I've got to give us a fair number on the scale that rarely lies. So, here we go. Wild Willie is 35. This guy is 32. So, it's within line. This is obviously going to be lighter because it's smaller. So, I'm not really bashing that, but that weight is a good starting point. So, we're going to put these on the build tonight and see how she goes. Watch for that. So anyway, so far so good. They look badass. I've heard good things about them. We will see how they hold up. I think they're going to be nice because they're still a decent KV, a little bit smaller on the stator height, so you should get a little bit. They won't be battery vampires like everything else I use is. So anyway, kids, thanks for watching. Keep shiny side up. Bam! Build videos coming up. Hopefully it probably won't be up online till really late tonight, but tomorrow. So we'll just say that. So anyway, kids, take care. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.